Seniors over 60 often believe that memory loss and fading vision are unavoidable. But the truth is more shocking. According to Harvard Health, nearly 40% of age-related cognitive decline is linked to nutritional gaps that can be corrected. And Mayo Clinic researchers warn that specific antioxidants missing from the everyday senior diet accelerate retinal aging during the night, when your brain and eyes are supposed to repair the most. Tonight, while you sleep, your brain clears toxic waste through a system called the glymphatic network. And your eyes repair the thin layers of the retina that help you see clearly in the morning. If these systems don't get the nutrients they need, the damage silently compounds. That is why seniors wake up with foggy memory, blurry vision, morning headaches, and slow reaction times. But 4 science-backed nighttime juices contain powerful compounds that support vision and memory repair specifically during sleep. They enhance blood flow, reduce inflammation, and feed your retina and hippocampus with nutrients that are proven by major health institutions to slow aging. And if you drink them regularly at night, you may notice clearer eyesight, sharper recall, and deeper sleep within days. The first juice is pomegranate. Research published by the National Institutes of Health shows that pomegranate is one of the richest natural sources of punicalagins, compounds that increase nitric oxide and improve blood flow to the brain. Better blood flow at night means your brain's memory center, the hippocampus, finally receives enough oxygen to store and organize memories properly. Pomegranate also contains anthocyanins, which protect the retina from oxidative damage. Seniors who consume pomegranate regularly show improved reaction times, better memory recall, and reduced mental fatigue. Many older adults wake up at night because their brain struggles to clear toxic proteins. Harvard researchers explain that pomegranate antioxidants can reduce the inflammation in these pathways, allowing deeper, uninterrupted sleep. The real effect is seen in the morning. Seniors report fewer episodes of waking up with heavy eyes or a dull, unfocused mind. The second juice is tart cherry juice. This is not just a sleep drink. It is one of the most powerful natural sources of melatonin. Mayo Clinic highlights that melatonin is crucial for sleep cycle regulation, but it also plays a surprising role in vision protection. At night, melatonin supports the regeneration of photoreceptor cells in the eyes. These cells allow you to see sharply in low light. As seniors age, these cells weaken. Tart cherry juice provides natural melatonin along with anthocyanins that reduce retinal inflammation. The combination helps restore eye moisture, reduce nighttime dryness, and sharpen morning vision. But here's the hidden benefit most seniors never hear. Melatonin also boosts brain detoxification. When levels are too low, toxic proteins like beta amyloid accumulate faster. Low melatonin is linked with memory decline and poor sleep depth. Drinking tart cherry juice 2 hours before bed can increase deep sleep time, which is the stage responsible for memory storage. A senior with weak sleep cycles loses nearly 30% of natural memory consolidation every night. Tart cherry juice helps restore this. The third juice is blueberry spinach blend. Blueberries are packed with flavonoids called anthocyanins, proven in Harvard's Nurse Health study to improve cognitive performance in older adults. Spinach provides lutein and zeaxanthin, the 2 nutrients that protect the retina from macular degeneration. When blended together, something powerful happens. The antioxidants increase blood flow to the frontal lobe, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making and recall. At the same time, lutein and zeaxanthin create a protective shield over the retina. NIH studies confirm that seniors with higher lutein levels have almost 40% slower cognitive decline. They also maintain sharper night vision. Many seniors struggle to drive at night because their eyes cannot adjust quickly. This blend supports faster adaptation and clearer focus. But the biggest benefit happens during sleep. Flavonoids reduce oxidative stress in the hippocampus, while lutein settles into the eye tissue, supporting repair. Seniors often report that after a week, morning vision feels less cloudy and memory recall feels slightly faster. The fourth juice is beetroot juice. This one scares many seniors because of its color, but the science behind it is solid. Beetroot is one of the strongest natural nitric oxide boosters. Nitric oxide opens blood vessels, delivering oxygen to the brain at night when memory storage is at its peak. A study published by the NIH found that seniors who consumed beetroot juice before bed had brain activity patterns similar to younger adults. This is because nitric oxide increases communication between brain cells. Beetroot also protects the optic nerve, which is responsible for transmitting visual information from your eyes to your brain. When nitric oxide levels drop with age, the optic nerve becomes vulnerable. Seniors may notice blurry vision, slow focus changes, or eye strain. Beetroot juice before sleep boosts nighttime blood flow enough to support nerve repair. It also contains beta-lanes that reduce inflammation inside the eye. Over time, this may help reduce pressure buildup, which is a major risk factor for glaucoma. But here is the most important part. These juices are effective at night because your body is in repair mode. Seniors often make the mistake of drinking nutrient-dense juices in the morning when the body is busy digesting breakfast or managing daytime stress. At night, glucose levels are lower, digestive load is minimal, and repair hormones like melatonin and growth hormone are more active. This creates the perfect environment for nutrients to be absorbed and used for healing. Despite this, many seniors unknowingly sabotage their nighttime repair cycle. Consuming processed sugar after dinner, drinking tea or coffee late, or eating too close to bedtime reduces melatonin and prevents antioxidants from reaching the retina and hippocampus. Harvard researchers warn that late-night caffeine can reduce deep sleep time by nearly 20% in adults over 60. Even small amounts of ice cream or sweet snacks raise insulin levels, blocking the brain's detox pathways. And this is exactly where the 4 juices can help. They provide antioxidants without heavy sugars, support deep sleep, and deliver nutrients exactly when your brain and eyes need them the most. Another overlooked factor is hydration. Seniors often become slightly dehydrated at night, reducing blood flow to the eyes and brain. These juices offer hydration plus targeted nutrients. When consumed consistently, they support circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote tissue repair. Now, here is how to use these juices correctly. Drink one of these juices 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Do not combine all 4 on the same night. Rotate them. On night 1, choose pomegranate. On night 2, choose tart cherry. On night 3, go for the blueberry spinach blend. On night 4, drink beetroot juice. This rotation ensures your body gets a wide range of antioxidants without overwhelming your digestive system. And drink only small amounts. A half cup is enough. Seniors often assume more is better, but the body absorbs antioxidants best in moderate doses. Overloading can cause digestive discomfort and reduce sleep depth. Keep a simple nighttime routine to enhance the benefits. Dim your lights an hour before bed. Harvard sleep researchers note that bright light blocks melatonin production. Avoid screens at least 45 minutes before sleep, since blue light delays melatonin release. Ensure the room is cool. Cooler temperatures activate deep sleep pathways. And most importantly, maintain a stable sleep schedule. Even the best nutrients cannot repair the brain or eyes if sleep cycles are irregular. If you are a senior waking up with blurry vision, morning fog, forgetfulness, or slow thinking, these 4 nighttime juices may be the missing link. They work with your natural repair system. They support the retina. They strengthen the optic nerve. They feed the hippocampus. And they promote deeper, more restorative sleep. The science is clear. Small nightly habits can protect your eyes, restore memory, and slow aging far more than most seniors realize. The surprising truth is this: every night after age 60 becomes either a night of repair or a night of decline. The juice you choose tonight may decide how clearly you see and how sharply you think tomorrow morning.